Do you know your Garmin device can estimate your fitness age? Not only considering your VO2 max data, the Garmin device includes other body information to help you get a more precise estimation of your fitness age. Your device will use the user's personal information, such as the date of birth, gender, BMI, body fat percentage, resting heart rate, intensity minutes, VO2 max, to measure your fitness age. To check the fitness age on your watch, hold the menu key on the lower right side, scroll down and select the gear icon. To enter settings, scroll down and select User Profile. Select Fitness Age. Here you can see your current fitness age and the time of the latest update. If your fitness age has reduced, your watch will show you a GIF image to celebrate. If the watch appears an I mark, it means you should provide more body information to your watch. Select the I mark. You can see what information you need to add. We suggest you wear your watch the whole day to get more detailed body information. Besides checking on your watch, you can also get your fitness age information on Garmin Connect. Now let's try it out to know your fitness age.